Good evening. My name is Lindsay. I will be the defense attorney and recording.
And I'm Nick. I will be the officer that's being interviewed in court.
Officer, how long have you worked in law enforcement?
It'll be 4 years next May, in May.
What are your duties and responsibilities on a regular workday?
On a regular workday, I patrol the streets, respond to calls as they come in, which range from minor incidents, including traffic stops, and in rare cases, more severe calls. But as I said, those are rare.
Were you on duty on April 18th when you contacted my client?
Yes, I was.
What was the nature of the contact?
Contact was, it consisted of, call came in, an anonymous caller stated that there was an unknown man trying to gain access to a vehicle with a coat hanger.
What was my client doing when you approached him?
When I approached him, he was indeed using a coat hanger through the driver's side window to gain access.
Did you check to see if that was indeed his car?
At that moment in time, no, I did not.
Why not?
At the time we arrived, my partner and I felt it was more important to secure the scene, make sure it was safe before we went to verify the vehicle registration.
Why did you pat down my client?
I wanted to confirm that he indeed did not have any weapons.
Did he instruct you not to check his pockets?
The way he worded it, no. He worded it as, upon me asking if I could search his pockets, he replied with, "No, it's cool, you don't need to search my pockets."
Why did you then go into his pockets to remove the marijuana bag?
Upon searching his pockets, I felt the bag. It felt like a herby substance, hence why I pulled it out.
Did you test the green leafy substance to see that it's marijuana?
At that moment in time, no.
Why did you issue him a ticket for it?
The reason I issued the ticket for the marijuana possession was upon looking at it, it appeared to be marijuana. I could also smell the marijuana.
Did you secure the marijuana after confiscating it from my client?
Yes, I did.
How?
I bagged it as evidence and signed the chain of custody.
Was it in your possession the whole time until you booked it in?
No.
Why not?
It was in the squad car secured after my partner and I was called on a other stop prior to arriving at the station.
How can this court know the green leafy substance was not tampered with if it wasn't in your possession the whole time, from the moment you confiscated it until you booked it in?
Being as the bag of marijuana was in a sealed bag, with the chain of evidence signed by myself, the bag was not tampered with. There was no evidence that it had been opened and or resealed.
Do you agree with me that you have to document in the report everything that you do?
Yes.
Why didn't you document the facts that I pointed out to you?
I did not include them in the report as I felt it not relevant that the marijuana bag and the evidence bag was in the squad car during another call.
If you missed those, what else have you missed?
I haven't missed anything. I provided the chain of custody on the evidence per policy with the department. Upon arriving at the station, it was checked into the evidence locker. Nothing was missed.